It was the first day of the month of Nisan, and finally the Mishkan, the tabernacle, was ready to begin. But when the Mishkan began, they used the first 12 days as a time of inauguration. Each day a leader from a particular tribe would bring an offering, and that's how the Mishkan began. In fact, that's the Torah reading that we read over Chanukah. For example, today, we read by Yom HaSheni, on the second day of the inauguration, on the second day of the month of Sivan, Hikriv Nisanel ben Tzuar l'matei Yisachar. Nisanel, the son of Tzuar, who was the leader of the tribe of Yisachar, brought a special offering today. But there was one tribe that was left out of all of these proceedings, and that was the tribe of Levi. Shevet Levi, that comprises the Leviim and the Kohanim, the priests, was not included in this inauguration of the Mishkan. And their leader, Aaron HaKohen, the high priest, the Kohen Gadol, was expectedly sad and disappointed. The Midrash says that Hashem came to Aaron and said, "Don't be upset, because you have something much greater in store for you. It's true, you might not have an offering in the 12 days of inauguration, but there will be a special mitzvah for you and for your tribe, for the Kohanim, for the tribe of Levi, and that will be the mitzvah of the menorah." The Ramban and others are bothered. There were so many special things that the Kohanim did in the Beis HaMikdash. The Kohen Gadol was the only one to enter into the Kodesh HaKodashim, into the Holy of Holies. There were so many parts of the sacrificial process that were done specially only by the Kohanim. Think about the Yom Kippur service that centered around the focal point. That was the Kohen Gadol. Why was it that the Midrash said, Aaron, something special is in store for you, and it's the menorah? In what way is the lighting of the menorah something that's more special than all of the other amazing things that the Kohanim did and the Kohen Gadol did in the Beis HaMikdash? The Ramban says that the Midrash isn't talking about the regular daily lighting of the menorah in the Beis HaMikdash. As special as that was, it was not necessarily more special than anything else that happened on a regular basis in the Holy Temple. The Midrash is referring to the menorah during the times of the Chanukah story and the Chashmonaim. Because the Chashmonaim, the Maccabees, the family of Matisyahu and Yehuda and Yochanan, that was a family of Kohanim. And what Hashem is saying to Aaron is, one day, your tribe will do something so special, unprecedented, incredible, amazing, life-saving. They will relight the menorah in the Beis HaMikdash after it had been out of use, after the Beis HaMikdash had been nearly destroyed, ransacked, contaminated by the Greeks. You know, it's easy, I imagine Hashem saying to Aaron, to be a part of the inauguration process. When things are new and exciting and fresh, everybody wants to be a part of it. Everybody wants to bring a special offering. Everyone wants to join in the fun. But who's there when things get difficult? Who's there when everything around you is broken and shattered? When your enemies have entered your home and defiled it? Who is having the Mesiras Nefesh, the commitment, the self-sacrifice to fight back, to stand tall, to stand strong for what you believe in? To make our way back into the Beis HaMikdash and to relight the menorah and to re-inaugurate the temple. A new Chanukah, a new inauguration, that will take the special strength and power of the Kohanim. Who isn't excited for the first day of school or for the first day of a new job? You come dressed your best with all of your supplies, with everything you need. You get there early, fresh, and excited. Anyone can do that. But who's there when everything around is falling apart? When everything around you is falling apart? When the world or society seems to be in shambles? When everything around you is broken? That's the power of the menorah. That's the power of the Kohanim, and that's the job for all of us. When we light the menorah each night of Hanukkah, take a moment to think that no matter what is happening around us in the world, and however broken things may seem to be, when you light the candle of the menorah, at least for a moment, everything is exactly the way it should be. Chanukah Sameach, Shavua Tov.